The First Alert Hardwired Photoelectric Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm with Battery Backup offers twice the protection with a single installation. This hardwired alarm comes with a battery backup to keep you safe in any situation. The photoelectric sensor detects slow smoldering fires, and the electrochemical sensor quickly detects carbon monoxide. OptiPath 360 technology provides 360 degrees of direct access to the smoke sensor for optimum performance. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to assure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud spread spectrum horn tone to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with the perfect mount for easy alignment. The First Alert Hardwired Photoelectric Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm with Battery Backup comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.